The House Committee on Justice approved the motion to advance the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte after the NBI authenticated a video of her eschewing threats against President Marcos Jr. Vel Custodio lays out the details in this report.
The National Bureau of Investigation, or NBI, has now a lead on the possible hired hitman allegedly linked to Vice President Sara Duterte. This is in connection with the alleged assassination plot targeting President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos, and former Speaker Martin Romualdez.
Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko. Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Liza Araneta, at si Martin Romualdez. No joke.
We considered it as a serious and actual threat to the life of the President, kaya kailangan po naming bantayan.
Among those being investigated are active and retired members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, some of whom are reportedly part of the Vice President's security group.
We are already identified the individuals. Merong mga member dyan ng AP, merong hindi. Pero wag nyo na pong pilitin na i-detalye natin dahil may investigation po. It's an open investigation case.
Director Matibag also noted that it is unusual for a Vice President to have hundreds of security personnel.
It is very unusual to a Vice President. If you will look at the history of other Vice Presidents, hindi po ganun karami yung security group na nakabantay po sa kanila. I'm not sure what is the number, but during the time of Vice President Lenny, I think it's not even more than 30. Pero dito po, hundreds po yung security na tinayo po nila.
Meanwhile, due to threats against the President, the NBI has created a task force under Administrative Order Number 11. Aside from protecting the President, the task force also aims to monitor threat against other government officials. Vel Custodio for the National TV Network for A New and Better Philippines.